In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to your website using Wix Studio. Whether you're promoting a business location or just want to share your favorite places, embedding a map can be incredibly useful for your site visitors. So, let's dive in and explore how you can accomplish this in a few easy steps. To begin, open up your Wix website editor. Make sure you're logged into your account and select the website you want to edit. By doing so, you'll ensure we're working on the right project and that all changes are saved correctly. Once you're in the editor, look towards the left side and you'll see an option labeled Add Elements. Clicking on this will open up a menu full of resources you can incorporate into your page. Here, we're focused on adding interactive content that enhances user experience. Now, with the menu open, navigate to the section that says Contact and Forms. This is where you'll find the option to embed Google Maps. Clicking here will expand a submenu displaying various contact-related features, including our desired Maps integration. Afterward, click on Maps. This directs you to another area where you're presented with different Google Maps styles. Choosing the right map style is crucial as it should complement your website's design. Take your time here, preview a few options, and select the style that feels right for your branding and aesthetic. Once you have your map style in place, it's time to click on Manage Locations. This useful feature allows you to add and configure your locations easily. You can input the specific address you want to display on the map, ensuring your audience knows exactly where to find you. Next, click on Settings. This section is crucial as it allows you to customize how your map functions. Here you can adjust the zoom level and other interactive features, providing your audience with the optimal viewer experience. Now head over to Design. In this part, you'll be able to tweak the visual presentation of your map. It lets you give your map a distinct look that aligns with the overall theme of your website. After working on the design, go to Animation and Effects. This allows you to add some dynamic elements to your map, helping it stand out and captivate visitor attention. Finally, click on Stretch. This option helps you adjust the map's dimensions on your web page. Stretching can be particularly useful if you want your map to be more prominent or fit a specific layout. And that's it, folks. You've successfully added a Google Map to your Wix website. Experiment with these settings to make sure the map functions and looks exactly how you envision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.